Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to trade prediction on Rainbow Wallet. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. So first off, download the Rainbow Wallet from your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you have. Set it up and fund it with some USDC. So this is my Rainbow Wallet right here. So you click it. So you could fund it by either buying USDC directly within the Rainbow application by clicking the buy button right here, or you buy USDC on an exchange and send it to your wallet. Okay, so once you funded your wallet, scroll down and click predictions. So on our screen we have active prediction markets, we have sports, politics, finance, crypto, geopolitics, culture, and so on. So let's just focus on trending for now. So once you're here, you just find a topic you know a lot about and then tap on the market. So assuming you want to trade this World Cup winner, this particular market, just tap it. So guys, the percentage beside each team is the market's estimate of that team's chance of winning the World Cup. So for example, if Spain is at 17%, traders collectively believe Spain has about 17% chance of winning, while France has 16% chance of winning. England has 10.9% of winning. So to place a prediction in a market, you just open the market. So we've already opened World Cup winner, right? So let's just keep the team you believe will win. So let's just click on this Spain. It has 17% chance of winning, remember. So if you think Spain will win, you buy Spain shares at the current price. Okay, so as a 17% probability usually corresponds to a share price of about 0.17 cents. So you need to decide how much money you want to spend. If you invest $10 on Spain at 17%, you get 58 shares. Since $10 divided by 0.1 cents equals 58. So you just click on this buy yes, confirm the trade, review the amount you are spending and number of shares, then approve the transaction. If Spain's probability rises from 17% to, let's say, 25%, your shares become more valuable. You can sell before the World Cup ends and take profit. If Spain actually wins the World Cup, each winning share settles at $1. So your 58 shares will be worth $58. And if Spain loses, shares become worth $0. So you'll notice I don't have funds in this wallet right now, so I won't be able to execute the trade, but the process is exactly the same. Just fund your wallet, choose your prediction, enter your stake, and review the details and confirm transaction. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye, see you in the next video.